I proposed to you in 2015.
Yeah.
And then we were secretly engaged for 3 years. Then we
You
got
were
married.
secretly engaged.
Yeah, 2015 I proposed to her. Before anyone knew anything.
So you put a beautiful diamond ring on it.
Yes, sir. Beyond my resources at the time. Perhaps, but even so, a very impressive one. I was in cahoots with my sister and my mom acquiring the ring, and we were going to take a holiday, and I decided that I would propose to her on the holiday. I got the ring, and my folks were like, "So you're gonna propose?" And I was like, "Yeah." Like, you don't wanna consult with her parents or ask her parents or anything. I didn't have that degree of maturity back then.
Yeah.
And I was like, no, why? I'm marrying her, so I'll ask her. I mean, now in retrospect, perhaps they could have said, maybe you should consider touching base with her parents before
Yes.
you do this,
Might
which
have
I
been.
should have done.
Might have been the right thing to
Yeah.
do. Yes.
Which I did. So I was like, no, I'm marrying her. I'll ask her. So we go to the Maldives, and I've secretly carried the ring with me. And we do the sandbank adventure. So a boat takes us out to the middle of the sea. And there's just one tiny sliver of sand in the middle. And all around is just nothing. It's just sea, infinite sea. They drop you. So over there, they put up a tent for you.
Yeah.
And you can chill there for the day, and then they leave. So it was literally just her and me
On an island.
on a sliver
On
of
a
sand
sliver of sand.
in the middle of the sea. I was like, this is it. I've done it. This is the perfect scenario.
Yeah.
Matlab, I also in a way kind of admit that I kind of phasawed her. In a way, I said, I'm going to make this proposal wala scene so picture perfect that she won't be able to, she'll be compelled to say yes.
Yes.
You know, it'll feel like just so right.
Yeah.
So they've dropped us off. They've left. Now it's just her and me on the island. And I popped the question, gave her the ring. She did not expect it. She got emotional. And that was it. She said yes.